Hi there, GigaClaws here with GigaParts, here to tell you about all the amazing presents you can find here at GigaParts. For instance, this 4K OLED display that is FreeSync compatible, G-Sync compatible, 120 Hz, and HDR. This display is likely to be at the very top of any gamer's list. Available in 3 different sizes. That's going to be 48 inches, 55 inches, and 65 inches. And 10% off right now at GigaParts. Of course, while supplies last. While supplies last. While supplies last. While supplies last. This year at GigaParts, they're making my job extremely easy. For instance, right now you can get a Zero Gravitas esports gaming machine for 10% off. This deal slays. GigaParts is making it easy for any Santa Claus, such as myself, with up to 10% off on many gaming laptops. If you have a gamer on your list, there are deals all season long. Here you can find laptops from manufacturers such as MSI, Asus, HP, and others. At GigaParts you can find 3D printers so that you can print your own presents that put my elves to shame. When it comes to gift giving with a 3D printer, whatever you can imagine, you can print and you can give. This holiday season, it's 10% off of the Ender 3 V2 and any filament you purchase with it. Whether that's 1 roll of filament or 10, the savings is yours. Here you can find any color you imagine, from red to blue, to gray, to glow in the dark, and anything in between. At GigaParts you can find stocking stuffers no matter whether you're shopping for a car guy or a pop culture enthusiast. And build your own models, great for the STEM enthusiast. We even have Baby Yoda. At GigaParts they have your favorite pop culture references. At GigaParts you can also find tactical pens, flashlights, radios, knives, and so much more. For that gamer or PC enthusiast in your life, we also have controllers, keyboards, mice, and so much more. We also have things that are perfect for that person who's gonna go live on December 26th. And with this holiday sale, it meets any and all budgets. GigaClaws also found all of these products too to help the live streamer in your life. Everything from capture cards, lighting, and so much more. I totally held that right the first time. From GigaClaws and GigaParts, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, we love you, thank you for another amazing year, and remember, customers of GigaParts are always on the nice list. Oh! Wait, GigaClaws, you left the prices too low! With GigaClaws gone, I have to tell you, GigaParts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west.